For small to medium plots, single-person operation for spraying and spreading, easy takeoff, this is the DJI Agras T25P. Retaining its foldable design, the lightweight airframe is easy to transport, ensuring safe takeoff and landing even in complex environments. Carrying a 20-liter spraying payload and dual optimization centrifugal sprinklers, achieving a max flow rate of 16 liters per minute. The T25P's night vision color FPV camera introduces a virtual gimbal, utilizing electronic stabilization algorithms to achieve electronic anti-shake, resulting in smoother footage. Equipped with field mapping, it generates HD maps via remote controller, intelligently identifies field boundaries and obstacles. An additional pair of centrifugal sprinklers can be added, increasing the flow rate to 24 liters per minute. And operations are streamlined into two simple steps: outline the field and launch with one touch. No intervention needed. Both beginners and experienced pilots can operate it effortlessly. The T25P spreading system has been newly upgraded. With a max payload of 25 kilograms, features a replaceable screw feeder for doubled flow precision and enhanced payload adaptability. Ideal for fields, orchard, fishery, and more. Cloud-stored operation templates can flow rate calibration templates, reducing preparation work. Agricultural operations demand uncompromised safety. The T25P's upgraded Safety System3.0 is equipped with a new avionics platform, tri-vision sensor system, and millimeter wave radar, increasing in avionics computing power to 10 times, extending visual detection distance to 60 meters, supporting terrain following up to 90 degrees, and boosting obstacle avoidance success rates for poles, live trees, deadwood, and power lines. Its night vision color FPV camera and 75-watt night navigation light extend nighttime visibility up to 25 meters with clearer black and white imaging switching. Higher positioning accuracy brings safer flight operations. The latest DRTK3 Agriculture Edition offers plug-and-play functionality without needing coordinate setup, delivering centimeter-level positioning with consistent precision. Signal interference of the remote controller occurs occasionally. The new O4 transmission system boosts data transmission rate by 50%, maintaining smooth and stable visuals for consistent performance. For heavily obstructed video transmission scenarios, the optional O4 relay module keeps the video feed stable and online, ensuring operational safety. To ensure stable and continuous power supply, the T25P retains the DB800 intelligent battery paired with multifunctional inverter charging station. It supports ultra-fast charging. For utility power charging, the C8000 intelligent power supply stands ready. Meet the DJI T25P. Fly solo, your agriculture's steadfast partner.